Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Baba G's farm. हाँ जी क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक खैरियत ठीक ठाक से वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Baba G's farm क्या हाल है? Say hi. Say hi. What is this? Hi. Okay, look here. There is a lot of work going on here today, guys. We just bought the new couch because the previous one was really, I was gonna say crap. But anyway, previous one was ripped.
Mum spent 10 grand on the new one.
We got the new one.
I don't know.
And changing the setting there as well. The old TV unit.
I just help him. Go, hey, push it, go push.
Oh, very good. Good helper. Yeah, so old TV unit has been moved out. We do this every 6 months because we get sick of one TV unit and then we change it to the other one. So this was sitting in the container. We brought that in and now these guys are sitting up here. Have a look.
Oh, wait, test. I need a test. Hold on. Do you know what for?
What?
If I lean.
Hey, of course it's gonna go.
Oh no, it's better than it was before though.
Do a test, sitting test.
Daddy.
Yeah, daddy shoes.
How's it go? It's good. It's good.
Okay.
No, get. Do my whole body, mate.
TV's that side.
I can do my. Oh, I like that. You know why? It kills the sunlight, so now I can actually enjoy the TV.
Okay, so the other thing we're going to do today, we are running late. But we sold the baby alpaca. For any money we make out of the farm goes back to the farm, or so far anyway, because still a lot of initial stages, there's a lot of settings to do, a lot of new things to set up. So we bought my quails a new cage. I'm going to show you in a minute. I think rain is starting. So rain, we were just going to start this work, but the rain started. And this thing is going to get wet, but look at this. So go this way so you guys can see it. Basically this is what we need to set up right inside those cages. Should we wait for the rain?
Yeah, I reckon it's gonna be.
But what we can do, I'll show you. Talal is going to help me set up. Thank you, Talal. But here I'll show you where we're setting it up. Originally I thought of setting it, that's where they are, but I was thought of setting it there, but I don't think we're going to have enough space. So I'm thinking if we move this stuff in there, all of this, right, and then we can set it up here, because that's a perfect spot. The entry is going to be on this side and it'll come out to about here.
We can move that. We can move this.
No, well, yeah, we can remove that. Yeah. We can move that later, yeah. But at the moment, I think, and this is probably a bit better spot for them, a bit greener. Okay, the rain got a little bit heavy, so we're just gonna wait till that goes past, and then we'll start.
Here, hold it. How you can hold it. Don't make a mess on the couch. If I see you spilling milk on the couch, I'm gonna tell Mama. And Mama, I'm gonna let her loose on you. She can bash you up.
Daddy, what do you say to Amia?
You don't need to pick them up.
Why?
You might find another 181 other.
Yeah, 181.
One. Did we find another? This one?
That's another 181.
Okay, what's done now is the roof. That's the roof, and we done this door. We done the door so far. And what are we doing now, Abba?
Sleeping.
Flo, what are we doing?
Ask the manual.
The manual, what are we doing? We're doing a wall.
No, not yet.
That is good.
All right, we couldn't finish it off. Time is running late. Dinner's ready. We done the front wall, the door, and the roof. Yeah, I think there's still a few more things to do. So apparently, we'll see how it goes. I gotta go back to work tomorrow, but apparently, Talal and Mushi gonna do it. They're home, both of them. So we'll see how they go. I might get a surprise. It will be set up when I get home. Let's feed these guys. You want some food? Oh, look at the babies. They're going fast, mashallah. And so are these guys. Look at them. They want some food. You are gonna have a bigger house tomorrow, inshallah. We thought it was gonna be today. He always loved eating away from everyone. This fella. आरे किधर है? Aja, quick, come here.
Babaji, guess how many cherry tomatoes she ate?
How many? Did you cherry tomatoes?
Meow.
Meow.
Guess how many?
How many? 5?
15.
What? 15 cherry tomatoes? No good for you.
Surprised you.
That's too many. No good for you. You gotta eat plums. Hello. Alright, look at this, guys. Boys done a great job. I told them to record it, but they didn't record it enough, but they have done a great job. They basically is all ready. This is, we bought this from Bunnings. It didn't look that good when we started it, but now it looks, yes, looks pretty firm. Show you the birds inside. Look at them. I got 3 and 3, 6 and 9. Should be 9. 3, 6, 9. What do you want? There you go. Come on. You want to come up? You want to fly up to me? Yeah, come on.